I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark.
And we're the Yo-Hos. This weekend, we tried to press the reset button, as I like to say. This house was a disaster. We had a great Christmas and a great New Year's. Oh, and by the way, Happy New Year's, and I hope you had a nice holiday. Went to Niagara Falls for just after New Year's, and when we got back, it got real. We needed to get all the Christmas stuff put away, and
not only that, I had to get started on the laundry room because that has been on hold for what, like 7 years? Long time.
Yeah, life happens, as we all know. I'm gonna pick away up here, get everything organized, try to get all the Christmas taken down, and I guess you'll be in the basement?
I'll be in the basement. I'll be on carrying duty, so I'll be bringing boxes up and bins up and then taking bins and boxes down. Removing lights from the tree, carrying the tree out, drywalling, and drywalling and drywalling. Enjoy your coffee and enjoy the video.
Cheers!
Okay, so here's where we're at in the kitchen. Now, this is just purely decorative. Mind you, I need to take all of this down. I want to show you what's in that box and show you what's in that little basket. I need to reset this space because I kind of like the decor seasonally up here. Or if it's not seasonal, I like it pretty up there, just because. Anyways, if you haven't seen that video, I've linked that below as to how we changed this little area up here. Hello!
My shoulder's really sore today too, like crazy sore, but this stuff needs to get done, man. Needs to get done. So this little thing, it's just one of those photo storage bins. Actually, it's the one from IKEA, so it's a little tiny bit shorter and smaller. I've just put all of my little J-cloths and, oh, what the heck is that? That's not a cloth. And just some reusable cloths that I have here, and I just do this for my storage and keep them on the top, and then you don't really see it, and it looks kind of cute, I think. Because it's light enough, I can put my tongs in it and pull it off. It's going to take this little cute cutting board and take all this junk off, and I will just put that right back where it was. In case any of you are itching to come and do my dishes, this is where I keep all my tea towels. I can reach no problem, just kind of tippy-toeing it, so that's not a problem. That's a bonus, and that's it. So I'm gonna make that pretty.
I have cute tea towels that I want to hang on the bar here. I laughed because I said they're like the little soaps that are in the bathrooms back in my day when my mom had little fancy soaps in the bathroom that you weren't allowed to touch, little seashell ones. So I am overly annoyed at this garland that I restrung or we put like the lights back on. The one strand doesn't work and it's brand new. So now I have to take the lights off again and pack it away. Is anybody else feeling my pain right now? I'm working up a sweat. I'm right in front of the fireplace. And it's not even on, it's just the pilot light. Hallelujah. Doing a little undecking the halls. Oh my goodness. And dusting and cleaning. And oh, I got one of these, so I was pretty excited about that. Good old Canadian Tire for all of the ornaments. Pretty excited. And that tree is about to disappear. Ready and all done. Of course, now I have to dust. Fun time. That's some heavy duty snacking right there. So I've kind of come to a roadblock here. I need to get some more bins, and I noticed the other day at Canadian Tire they had red ones, and they were on sale, so I am all over that. I'm gonna nip out, grab a few, and come back home and pack these babies up. So this is the year that I want to get organized, more organized in my life, and I'm hoping these red bins will do just that. I'm a bin buyer, and I don't care. A lot of my friends are bin buyers. I think it makes you feel more organized. I don't know if stuff's in a container. That just makes sense in my head. What about you guys? All right, so I got all the bins packed up, ready for Mark to bring them down to the basement. And with that, let's go see what he's up to.
Well, hello there.
Hello, we meet again.
What is going on?
Wow. Oh.
If there's 3 things that you need in order to drywall properly, it's lots of hot water, lots of coats, and lots of patience. There's a project from a long time ago where I did about 4 months of drywalling. I kind of got my fill of it, but I feel like I'm coming back.
Yeah.
I'm coming back to the artistic side of the drywalling itself.
All right, let's press pause. In case you guys are new to the channel, or if you've forgotten, or if you didn't watch any of our laundry room start series, this is what's happening. This laundry fully functioned. It was just a little squishy. The walls were a bit wonky. I really wanted the washer and dryer up on bases. It's just so much more accessible when they're up on bases, for me anyways. So Mark actually built the base. He then tore down the walls, rebuilt the walls to make the room a little bit wider. He had to replumb everything as well, so that was a bit of a chore, as we can well imagine. Had lots of coffee breaks and also hung the drywall back up again, and this is where we're at now.
So we're doing a big pile of drywalling in the laundry room now. We've finally gotten to that stage. All these other projects are out of the way. So I wanted to give you a quick rundown of how I prep for doing drywalling. I learned from some friends that do drywalling professionally, and I'll just share these tips with you. If it comes in handy, maybe you can use them. First thing is getting your box of compound. This is a great way to get a lot of compound in one go in a box like this. And then taking out what you need and mixing warm water. Mix those coats. You leave the attachment for your drill, your trowel, apply. And with that, nice little platform to hold everything on. You want to keep it all in the center, keep these nice and wet. So you'll also need 2 buckets. 1 bucket to hold the compound in, and 1 bucket of hot water with a sponge, nice big drywalling sponge, if you will, to keep your tools nice and clean and fresh and damp. And the water heater needs to go on. So you're just going to see me in the go here. We'll put on some nice music in the background. I'm sure Lisa will take care of that, so we don't have to listen to this guy going the whole time. Enjoy. How are you doing?
I'm well, and yourself?
Well, I'm just
Ooh!
just going to town here, drywall town. So it's going along nicely so far.
Well, that's good. Whoa! That's satisfying. Okay, bye.
To do all the things.
Yes, like and subscribe and turn on your notification bell, and when you do, you get notified every single time we upload a new video.
When's that?
Every Saturday.
Oh my gosh.
Every Saturday.
We have a lot of projects that are going to be on the go this year. A lot of fun stuff coming up.
Yeah, we do. I'm pretty excited about it. So you guys will have to subscribe if you want to see all of them or our progress, because let's be real, again, life happens and we don't get these things done in one day or one weekend, especially when it's such a big project, and we have bigger projects in store. So that is exciting.
Absolutely. A lot of things that I've never even done before, so I'm really excited to do that. love a project where there's a new thing that I haven't done and I get to learn how to do something new. Lisa got me a tile saw for Christmas, or Santa did, and use that and see how well it works. Pretty excited.
Also too, we have an Instagram page and a Facebook page. So if you want to check that out, then go for it, because you see a lot of behind the scenes, you see little clippets, all that fun stuff.
Absolutely.
Anyways, you guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again
Cheers, you
next
guys.
week. Bye.
Waited for the furnace to go off, and of course he has to go off. Well, crock a smell.